Hi, I am Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to Fogwing CMMS, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. During this session, I will walk you through how to dispose of out-of-service assets on the Fogwing CMMS platform. This streamlined process helps improve asset lifecycle management, enhances visibility, and keeps maintenance operations well organized. In this quick demo, we'll walk you through the process of disposing of an out-of-service asset using the Asset Disposal feature. To begin with, log into your Fogwing CMMS account. Once logged in, click on the Assets menu item on the menu to navigate to the Assets page on your Fogwing CMMS account. Here, you'll see a list of all registered assets. Find the asset you want to dispose of, then click the three dots under the Action section. Select Dispose from the options available. This will open a confirmation pop-up, prompting you to enter a closure note. Enter a relevant note. The closure note is important as any pending work orders, PM, or MRO requests associated with this asset will be completed and closed with the closure note you have provided while disposing of the asset. Once done, click on Proceed. A final confirmation pop-up will appear. To proceed, enter the asset name in the designated field and click on Yes, Dispose. The asset is now successfully marked as disposed. It will no longer be active in operations, and any associated work orders will be automatically closed. Disposed assets will still be visible in the asset list, but will be grayed out, ensuring clear visibility while maintaining an accurate asset record. You've successfully disposed of an asset in Fogwing CMMS. Thank you for watching this Fogwing CMMS demo video on disposing of out-of-service assets in Fogwing CMMS. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try, your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.